If you've got a minute, we can make this.
It's a hamburger that eats like a hot dog, and it's a whole lot easier to devour this way. Here's what you'll need. For the burger mixture, start with 1.5 pounds of ground beef. Then add 1/4 cup of mayo, 2 teaspoons of minced shallots, and 1 teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and smoked paprika. Mix it all together and then roll it up and shape like a hot dog. You'll get 4 out of this batch. Cook them up in a hot grill or grill pan, turning on all sides to get them nice and charred. Now, if you want cheese dogs, add a slice of cheddar at the last minute just so it melts over the dog. Make sure you grill your hot dog buns too. Now let's get to the fixins. Lay your cheeseburger dog in the bun and then add all the things you love on a burger. Chopped tomatoes, bacon bits, pickles, red onion slices, and maybe top with some shredded cheese. You decide the fixins and then dive in to cheeseburger dog heaven.
We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen.
1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.